Hi, welcome to our IDCube Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use standard normal variate in IDCube Pro. This feature removes light scattering from the image and reduces differences in the global intensities of the signals. To start, you'll want to open a file, navigate to Data Corrections, and select SNV. You'll then get this pop-up window asking you to select a sliding window size. The default is 10, which is equivalent to 10 by 10 pixels. You'll then click Apply. The sliding window is a computational imaging technique that uses a small number of pixels in a grid of cells to perform calculations and reduce the calculation time. The grid of cells pass through the spatial dimension of the image. At each pass, the calculation within the window is performed, and the first pixel in the window takes the values from the calculations. IDCube uses the length of one dimension as the window size. The process is now complete. It's important to note a few things. This feature performs a normalization of the spectra that consists of subtracting each spectrum by its own mean and dividing it by its own standard deviation. Each pixel will have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. When using SNV, the spectra always have a positive or negative value centered around 0, which may make interpretation difficult. It's important to note that SNV assumes that the multiplicative effects are uniform over the whole spectral range, which is not always the case, so artifacts could be introduced by this transformation. You can navigate around the different channels and see how SNV changes from the original image. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.